it's Kandy. Welcome back to my channel. It's Loot Crate time. Now, I'm a little confused because I have two boxes that say Loot Crate. I got one of them a little over a week ago, and then I got one of them today. So we're actually going to open this one first. Where's my skizzers? It's like 100 degrees here today. Oh, so hot. So hot. All right. I don't know what this is. All right. So this is the Colossal box for June of 2018. I like to look at the shirt first. This is just the regular Loot Crate box. So here is the shirt. It is a Jurassic Park theme. Look at Jeff Goldblum. Look at him. Look at him. Look at that fantastic human. So that's pretty cool. I kind of love these. I wear these to the gym, to bed. Like, they're great. All right, the next thing, which should probably go to one of my nephews because they love stuff like this, is this cute Godzilla from Kid Robot, maybe? The King of Monsters is here and looking downright cuddly. The blue variant was inspired by Godzilla's devastating atomic breath, which glows a beautiful blue. Made by Kid Robot. Rawr! Is he scary? He doesn't look that scary.
He looks so cuddly and nice.
But my nephews love dinosaurs, Godzilla, plushies. They're cute like that. I just love them. Okay, so I'm not sure what this box is supposed to be, but it says, haha, you didn't say the magic word. I'm not sure what it's inspired by. Just being honest. Exclusive Ghostbusters drawstring backpack. Oh, cool! So it looks like a proton pack. That's awesome. That might actually even fit me. Like, I might be able to wear that. Heck yeah, it does. That's awesome. You rarely find that. I don't know. I might keep that. I might keep that just for me. Alright, the next thing. The Hulk lenticular print. I don't know what a lenticular print is, but I assume it's this. So it goes from Bruce Banner to the Hulk. Can you guys see that? Bruce Banner, Hulk. Bruce Banner, Hulk. Hulk. So that's cool. The boys will probably like that too. I end up giving a lot to them. I dropped the pin somewhere. The loot pin is this cute dinosaur from Jurassic Park. So that's awesome. Okay, cool. So let's move on to this one and find out what this one is. And then we'll get to the Sanrio Crate. Someone's calling me. I don't know who they are, so bye-bye. Okay, well this has some Adventure Time characters inside. So that's awesome. Team Up, July 2018. So I must have just got this one super early and the other one super late. But I will give this box to my nephews or someone because Adventure Time is awesome. Okay. You've got 2 shirts. Wow. Okay. So we got 2 shirts this month. One of them is Ant-Man. And one of them is the Wasp. So that's pretty cool. I guess since it's team up, they are a very good team. Then we got this Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles magnet set with all of the boys. Who is your favorite? I'm always a Raphael fan. I know a lot of people like Michelangelo, but I feel like Raphael was just like misunderstood. I don't know. You tell me your favorite down below. The pin is from Adventure Time as well. So cute. And then the last thing is a Bill and Ted's Most Excellent picture frame. With Bill and Ted 3 officially announced, there's never been a better time to bring this most excellent time-traveling duo to your home. This frame was inspired by the iconic phone booth introduced in Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure, featuring poster art from the sequel and fits any 3x5 photo. That's cool. This is awesome. I'll probably just leave this in there, not even put like a real photo in there. That's great. That's so funny. Well, I mean, both of those weren't too terrible. I do like the t-shirts this month. Those are cool. And last month, apparently. Let's open up the Sanrio Loot Crate. I don't know. I don't think I shared the last one with you guys, unfortunately. This one says Big Smile. And we got a cute little Hello Kitty sticker. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm super excited about something in here. Alright, so this is the first item. I got a women's small, but it is a really cute tank top. It's got, you know, a nautical theme with unicorn horn narwhal thing, and so cute. I love Hello Kitty. This will probably go, I'm not sure. I don't really have any girls in my family, so so the next thing, which I'm actually really excited about, is this Hello Kitty Mermaid. She is so adorable. I cannot wait to put her on my shelf. Oh my gosh. Hey there, looter. We hope you're enjoying your Splash-themed Sanrio Crate. We have one more super cute item to share with you, but it needs a little more time to arrive. Your exclusive multi-character sarong will ship separately in early August, so please be on the lookout for it during that time. We're very sorry for the inconvenience. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact us. Well, that's nice of them, so they didn't want to, like, hold it out too long. Oh, man. The poster is really cute. Here's what the sarong is going to look like. So that's kind of cool. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so there's two more things in here. This is, it looks like a makeup bag to me. What are they calling it? Toiletry pouch. You guys, I think it's hollow. It's hollow! Look at that. So cute! Who's the penguin? I guess I don't remember all your underwear. Tuxedo Sam? That makes sense. That's cute as heck. I love these embroidered pin sets that you get in the Sanrio Loot Crates. They are so, so cute. Oh, I'm gonna have to, like, show you guys my entire pin collection one day, because it's insane. It's insanity, and I love it. So, probably what I'm gonna do with this, there's a school supply drive going on. I'll probably go fill this with, like, crayons and pens and pencils, and I will give this to them. I was planning on doing that anyway, and this will be a cute way to, you know, put something a little extra in there. So those are my loot crates. I don't know where my loot gaming is. It's gotta be somewhere. I'm so confused as to why the loot crates were like late or early or whatever. It happens, I guess. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love you guys. I'll see you soon.